Say these numbers with me. 70 and 4 make, class, 74. What is 10 more than 70? Think about it. Class, 80. You're right. Boys and girls, because 80 is 10 more than 70, 80 has 8 tens and 70 has 7 tens. What is 10 more than 74? Class, 84. Because 80 plus 4 equals 84. 84 is 10 more than 74. Say it with me. 84 is 10 more than 74. Say these numbers with me. 30 and 8 make, class, 38. What is 10 less than 30? Class, 20. Because 2 tens is 1 less than 3 tens. What is 10 less than 38? Class, 28. 28 is 20 plus 8. 28 is 10 less than 38. Say it with me. 28 is 10 less than 38. So the only change I'd really make here is I actually did 84 below, and I am thinking I would do it above because we're going up in that number. So 74, 84. And when we go less, it looks like we're going that down, right? So 38, 10 less is 28, 10 more is 48. So that would be the only difference, change I would make there is put one above and put one below. So you're going to continue to do that. Those are your first 2 example slides, but now you're just going to continue to repeat that. So you show them a number. What is this number? 70. How many tens are in 70? Class, 7 tens. What is this number? Class, 40. How many tens are in 40? Class, 4 tens. How many is 70 minus 40? Class, 30. Because 7 tens minus 4 tens equals 3 tens. And then you repeat that 3 more times. So you can continue to do it this way. You can also take your 70 and subtract your 4 tens to show that we only have 3 tens left. That's the only thing I actually really don't like about how the flow of this goes is that I have 70 and I'm supposed to subtract 40, but when I show 40, it looks like I have all those tens. And I actually don't have all those tens. I'm taking them from this. So you choose how you want to show it to students, but let's try it one more time where we don't show the second amount. So boys and girls, what is this number? 70. How many tens is in 70? 7 tens. Boys and girls, let's subtract. What is this number? Class, 40. Let's say it together. 70 minus 40. And now students should be thinking 70 minus 40. 40 is 4 tens. If I subtract 4 tens, what's left? Class, 30. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30. 70 minus 40 equals 30. Because 7 tens minus 4 tens equals 3 tens. Boys and girls, let's do another example. We'll move these back. So I kind of like that method better, but I'll let you decide for you. If I said, boys and girls, what's this number? 50. How many tens are in 50? Class, 5 tens. Boys and girls, what's this number? 20. How many tens are in 20? 2 tens. Boys and girls, if we did 50 minus 20, what would be our answer? Think about it. Class, 30. Let's say it together. 5 tens minus 2 tens equals 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. 50 minus 20 equals 30. Let's try another one. We'd put all these ones back. Boys and girls, what's this number? 80. How many tens are in 80? 8 tens. Boys and girls, what's this number? 60. How many tens are in 60? 6 tens. Boys and girls, read it with me. 80 minus 60, think about it. Class, 20. Let's say it together. 8 tens minus 6 tens equals, class, 2 tens. 8 tens minus 6 tens equals 2 tens. 80 minus 60 equals 20. So you choose how you want to set that up. That's essentially, though, the idea of it is that they see that we're subtracting the tens. I didn't pull out the tens card over here because I didn't want them to think we were putting those together. We're taking this number of tens away from the amount we actually have. So you'll do that multiple times, 3 times if you can, in that amount of time. So notice again, we built our 2 numbers. We built one number, 70 and 4. Then we said, what's 10 more than 70? It's 80. 74 plus 10 more is, class, 84. We did it with minus. 30 plus 8 equals 38. Boys and girls, what's 10 less? 20. 38, 10 less than 38 is 28. So they're going to get better at this. They probably won't be great at it because remember, we're transitioning them from that 120 chart where they've been seeing it every day in the daily routines, and now we're just building it with our secret code card. So it'll be a transition for them. Then you have this activity where the final part of our daily routine is making a 10. So I want you to say it with me. 14 minus 9 is the same as 9 plus unknown equals 14. Let's find out how many we need to add to 9 to make 14. So our problem is 14 minus 9, but we rewrote it as an addition equation. 9 plus unknown equals 14. What goes with 9 to make a 10? Class, 1. 9 and 1 make a 10. Let's add how many more to get to 14? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 plus how many make 14? Class, 4. How many did we add to 9 to make 14? Class, 5. We added 1 to make a 10, then we added 4 more to make 14. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So we added 5. So 9 plus how many is equal to 14? Class, 5. So 14 minus 9 equals, class, 5. So you can see that we type in the numbers. They can see that those are related up here. And you can see that the secret code cards help me as well. So I do 9 and 1 made a 10. So you can see the direct connection here. This makes a 10. And then how many more? If I want the number to be 14, 10 and what make 14? 4. So I counted on those 4 dots. But at this point, students should also just know this number is 4. I would need 4 more. 9 or 10 and 4 make 14. You can always have a student leader grab their secret code cards, your giant demonstration ones, and show, because 10 and 4 make 14. So this is a skill that we've been working on, but it does take a lot of work and repetition to have first graders become fluent with it. So take your time and you'll do one of those each day. So now you see that lessons 2, it says slides 12 through 14, you're going to select a new number. So again, add 10 more, subtract 10. And then when we get here, we're subtracting decades. So if I have 70 minus 20, if I have 7 tens minus 2 tens, okay, so you're going to do that. And then you're going to choose 2 or more of these slides that you practice reading the equation and then re-saying it as an addition equation and essentially counting on to make that teen number with your 10 and how many extra. So notice that this number is not filled in. So what 15 minus 9 equals unknown is the same as 9 plus unknown equals 15. If students need it, you can always put it on a math mountain. We know that 15 is here, we know that 9 is here, and this is our unknown. So we can say 15 minus 9 equals unknown, or we could say 9 plus unknown equals 15. Boys and girls, what goes with 9 to make a 10? Class, 1. 10 and how many are going to make 15? Class, 5. Boys and girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 and 1 make a 10. Add 5 more makes 15. So now let's see, what did we add all together to get to 15? We added 1 and then 5 more. How many did we add in all to make 15? Class, 6. You're right. We added 1 to make a 10, then we added 5 more to make 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6, so we added 6. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 9 plus 6 equals 15. So you have 4 different examples, but you use as many as you can within that 10-minute time frame. So you've done this slide, 10 more, 10 less. You've done subtracting the decades, and then you'll do a couple of slides for whichever you have time for. Once you get to slides lessons 3 through 9, you can see that all repeats. So you'll just continue to use these slides for the entire unit.